Let's talk about Ik-Onkar pack of 3 splatter screen guard set on frying pan anti-splash screen cover mesh metal wired 2x28 diameter 1x24 diameter. Set of 3 premium quality and durable splatter guard set frying pan stop hot fat and oil splattering on your cooker top and skin. Size 2x28 cm 1x25 cm same as pitcure. Very easy to use, lightweight and portable. The 28 cm fine mesh screen in this splatter guard is the covers most pots, pans, and skillets. Steam your veggies by sitting them on top of the scgredients by using it as a fine mesh strainer, or turn your splash guard into a reen and quickly rinse in cooling rack to cool your cupcakes and cookies. 1x28 and 1x24 cm with handle and 1x28 cm with top nub handle. Notice if you are not happy with product, please let us know. We do something for you. Thanks. Not great quality, but you can't expect too much at this price. It just about does the job. Although the ring warps, the screen doesn't sit flat on your pan, and so spatter can get between the pan and the screen, so it ends up on your cooker surface anyway, just not quite as much as it would otherwise. The screen mesh is just starting to come away from the outer ring, so I suspect the slight tack weld will give up before too many washes, and then it will be no good. Give them a year, max. After that I expect they will have broken. Such waste of money. It burns like plastic when in use. One of them came broken, packed just in a plastic bag. I didn't expect much for the price, but I did expect that they'd be suitable and fit for purpose. Packaging says do not use near high flame. In cooking on the hob, the flame is likely to be high in order to cook the food.